Calling the union budget a reflection of the Prime Minister's vision, Gopal Jivarajaka of Salora Industries called it a balanced budget. He went on to say that while everyone was welcoming reduction in corporate tax, it was the simplification of procedure that was a bigger help.
Well, I think the budget fundamentally has quite evidently a stamp of the Prime Minister. It has covered almost all the missions that have been launched by the Prime Minister, and which is good because it is covering things like Make in India, Swachh Bharat, Skill India. So it's obviously and second part is it's a little bit of a policy or a directional budget where the finance minister had laid down some roadmap up to 2022. So I think from that aspect it is good. It is covering infrastructure, it is covering agriculture, it is covering the common man. So I think on the surface it looks like a very, very balanced budget. But as with most budgets, you have to read the fine lines before you make the final comment. Well, I think one impact it should have, as mentioned by the finance minister, that this is also not only a reduction of the rate, but it is a process of simplification. Whereas he said, I will reduce with a roadmap the corporate tax, but at the same time, I'm going to take away some exemptions. These exemptions cause litigation, confusion. So I think more than the rate of tax reduction, it's a simplification, which is welcome.
Powered by NNIS.